Hola Chica Beauty's Kat Franklin makeup here, and I want to take a few moments of your time to show you a step-by-step on how to achieve the perfect eyebrow using Chica Beauty's brand new 3-in-1 multitasker. This product is amazing. Let's get to it. What I like to do first is I like to use a brow brush or a spoolie, and I like to brush my eyebrows, brush the hairs into place. It helps to give me an idea of where my eyebrow needs some work. So again, I'm just gonna brush the eyebrows in place. Then next, I like to start with the brow pencil side, right in there. The shade that I'm using is shade number 1. Now the Chica Beauty 3-in-1 multitaskers do come in 4 different shades. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start at the bottom, and I am just going to do the outline of my eyebrow. And then I'm going to start at the top, usually where I want my arch to be, just right around here. And in hair-like strokes, just slowly bring it down towards the temple of my eye and connect the 2 lines together. And then you can bring that in. I like to start it right in here again, those hairline strokes. And you're just connecting your lines. Just lightly drawing that outline. And then you can clean it up. Like so. So there we have our outline on the eyebrow. I'm gonna pause and I'm gonna do the other eyebrow. So now that we have the outline done on our eyebrows, I'm going to fill in any of the sparse areas with our brow powder. Now with this, I like to find the areas that are a little lighter and start filling them in, again with small hair-like strokes. Just like that. And let's do the other eye. You can totally tell where my eyebrows have gotten a little lighter. So this brow powder is so awesome for that. I like to do the hairline strokes in the direction of the hair. The final step is using the brow gel. The brow gel helps to keep the brows in place all day. It blends in all 3 of the products. And just lightly brush that out. And here's the other side. Remember, we are setting the hair in place. I love the little spoolie that it comes with. It just really gets all those tiny little hairs. I'm just going to blend this out right in here. Just to soften it up a little bit. I'm going to grab a little bit of concealer, and I'm going to clean up underneath the eye, right in here. This is totally optional, you don't have to do this. You can even use a lighter shade foundation just to sharpen that up. And then I like to go in with a brush and just blend it out. That's the bottom. Do the top. And again, just lightly blend out And there you have it, Chica Beauties. Easy steps to achieve the perfect brow using Chica Beauty's 3-in-1 multitasker eyebrow product. It is so amazing. You're gonna fall in love with it just like I did. Have a Chica Beauty day.